Ready? Tanong yan, Tals. Okay now guys, we're done with algebra. Okay? So now proceed to trigonometry. Okay? So, alasyon na malakas kayo dito. Okay? Hindi?
Hindi.
Now, before I will start, proper, okay? Palakas na tayo sa principle. Okay? Before we start problem, let's try to reset the formulas para matay-guess na siya. Okay? Now, begin with, let's say you have a square, okay? And inside the square, I'll put a smaller square, okay? Like that. Okay? Let's say from here to here, this is measured A, right? From here to here, this is measured B, right? Assuming that A is greater than B, okay? So ano ito? Is it A? How about this one? B. How about this one? A. Hindi lang guys, hindi lang na scale akong gawin, but how about this one? B. How about this one? A, B. Yung side ng malaking square nito is A plus B. Tama ba? Now, sa loob ng square na to, okay, hindi siya guys midpointed, okay? Hindi siya sa midpointed wherein yung A mo is not equal to B. Okay? So, pwede naman ako? Yes. Okay? Kasi yung triangle local pwede na. Okay? Now, inside this bigger square, let's say I have a smaller square wherein yung side niya po is C. Okay? So, malamang, C din yan lahat. That's square. Okay? Now, connect. If you're looking at the figure, what can you notice? Okay? Can I simply say that the area of this big square is just the sum of this smaller square plus these four triangles? Tama ba? Okay. In short, I can say that the area of this bigger square is just the sum of these four triangles plus this one. Okay? So guys, unahin ko yung triangle. Apat na triangle plus area ng smaller square, okay? Okay? Is just equal sa area ng malaking square. Tama? Okay, now, 4 times, what is the area of a triangle? If you look at the figure, alam mo na right triangle yan. Okay? So, for this is just the product of base times height divided by 2. Or simply 1/2 base times height. Tama ba? Okay, this one is just 1/2 AB. Okay? Now, how about this smaller square? Is that C squared? Tama ba? Yes. Kasi, this square is just the square of its side. Okay? Now, how about this bigger square? What can you notice? What is the measure of its side? Is that A plus B? Yes. Because this is A plus B. Okay? Square. Okay? Now, 4 times 1/2, what is that? 2. Okay? Now, yung AB na ito, multiply mo lang din. Okay? So, 4 times 1 ng AB is just AB. Plus C squared. Okay? Now, how about this one? If you are encountering binomials, okay? Now, kapag makita ka ko rin square ko lang yung first term. Okay? This is A squared plus twice the product of the first and the second. So, 2AB. Sir, what is negative? Negative din. Okay? 2 times A times negative B. Minus ito, okay? Plus the square of the last term, okay? That's just squared. Now, what can you notice? May 2AB sa both left hand and right hand side ng equation, right? In short, magka-cancel out na siya kasi kung nilipat this kabila, magiging negative, so cancel out. And so, very simple this one. C squared is just A squared plus C squared. What do you call this one? Hindi ko yan galing. Famous Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Yes. Ang Pythagorean. Sorry. area theorem. Okay. Actually, there are more than 360 plus proofs for this theorem, right? So this is just one proof, right? Now, connect. Ba't kung saan dinilay dyan? Okay? Actually guys, kung wala ito, wala kang trigo, wala kang geometry, wala kang statics, wala kang theory of structure, wala kang structural design. Okay? Why? Because pag na-notice mo ito, yung c squared equals a squared plus b squared yan, if you're dealing with vectors, for example, force, kung may component yun, simply resultant. This is just an x, this is a y, right? So dito po yan lahat galing. Okay? Now, para ma-appreciate mo si trigo, okay? I'll discuss to you what we call a unit circle. Okay? Palakas mo tayo screen ko lang. A unit circle. Okay? Pag sinabing unit circle, what does it mean? Anyone?
360 degrees.
Yes?
360 degrees.
60 degrees? Ano ba? Pag sinabing unit circle, what does it mean? Pag sinabing unit circle, that is just a circle having a radius of 1 unit. Tandaan din na. Okay? Sir, anong unit? Basta 1 unit. 1 mile, 1 kilometer. Pag gusto ka na, basta 1 unit. Okay? Now, actually, lahat ng trigonometric formulas, dito po yan lahat galing. Tandaan din na. Okay? So, there's no need for you to memorize actually. Kasi dito lang yan lahat. Mas calculator po, pwede na madaan. Pati nasa 30 decimal. Okay? Tapos dito yan lahat galing. Okay? Now, makinig. Nagkakabalang ko. Okay? Let's say, from here to here, okay, yung radius niya, nag-subtend ng arc theta. Okay? Now, makinig. Gawan ko siya ng vertical component, okay, mula sa x-axis, okay, let's say I'll call this y, okay? From here to here, let's say I'll just call that x, okay? Guys, tandaan dito niya, please take note of this, okay? If you're measuring angles, it must always be taken from the positive axis, okay? And ang wave niya, guys, it must always be counterclockwise. Taro, hindi ka mag-iyok ng clockwise ha, negative ang wala makuha mo. Taro, ang movement of perme from positive x-axis, pakanto sa counterclockwise direction. Positive 90, positive 180. Negative 90, negative 180. Taro? Okay. Now, let's say zoom ko yung triangle na yan. Okay? Triangle na yan. 90 degrees po yan. Okay? This is x, this is y, theta that one. Okay? This is theta, this is r. Okay? Hindi ko lang naman yung equation 1 na r lang. Okay? Now guys, what can you notice? Yung x na to, okay? Yung x na to, is it adjacent sa angle na eh? Okay? Now, connect. If you're dealing with trigonometry, okay? What is the relationship between this adjacent side and this hypotenuse? What function is that? Connect. What is the relationship between this adjacent side and this hypotenuse with respect sa angle na eh? Adjacent, hypotenuse. Ano ba function? Sine, cosine, tangent? Sine, cosine, tangent? Ano ba? Sine, cosine, tangent?
Cosine.
Cosine, okay? Tandaan guys, the cosine of an angle is just adjacent, okay? Adjacent over hypotenuse, okay? Dati na. Sa katuwa. Now, connect. The cosine of theta, therefore, okay? Yung angle na to, ano yung adjacent? Adjacent na? Si x, y, then. X, okay? Short is just x over r. Tama? Now, yung r na ito, multiply mo dito, what will happen? Is that x is just r cosine theta? Tama ba? Okay. Ito ngayon yung value ng x1. Okay? Now, how about this y? Okay? Guys, yung y na yan, yung side na to, okay, with respect sa angle na ni, is it opposite to this angle? Yes. Okay, connect. What is the relationship between this opposite side and this hypotenuse? Sine. Okay, tandaan nyo yan. Basta sine function, guys, that is just opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? Okay lang? Yes, sir. Okay, I'm trying to dissect nga, although ginagawa mo elementary ko kung nga, nagbalik kita dali. Okay lang? Lakas kayo principle. The sine of theta is just opposite over hypotenuse. Now, now guys, substituting, what side is opposite? Is that y? Y. What is the hypotenuse? Is that r? Now guys, if I want to express y in terms of r, what is that? Y is just r of sine theta. Okay? Now, ito yung masaya. Ganun. Sir, what's the purpose of this? Okay? Ganun ka. By Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Okay? I derive this one. Just po natin. Okay? I-relate natin sila. Ganun ka. Eto si y is just r sine theta. Tama? Ito siya. How about this x? Yan ba si r cosine theta? Tama? Okay? Ito ngayon si r. Okay? Is theta. Now guys, applying Pythagorean theorem, sa c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Yung c squared na yan, that is always the side which is called hypotenuse. Or the side opposite to this rectangle. Okay? So now, yung c na yan ba si r? Yes. In short, this is just r squared. Now, how about this a? Ito po rin siya si x. Okay? So now, what is that? X squared plus y squared. Ito si x, si a. Ito si y, si b. Now, substituting, r squared is just, what is x? R cosine of theta squared plus, what is y? R sine of theta squared. Guys, simplifying, r squared is just r squared cos squared theta plus r squared sine squared theta. Okay? Now, connect. Yung r squared ko is common sa dalawang term. Yan sila, okay? Can you factor it out? Yes. So r squared is just what? Cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. Okay? Now guys, if we're going to divide both sides by r squared, what will happen? Okay? In short, it will become 1. R squared is 1. R squared is 1. And this gives you an identity of 1 plus cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta. Please look at your handouts and then sa upper right. Okay? Okay? Gets? Okay na. Okay na. Now, what do we notice? Pag mag-sorting ka sa theory sa una, okay? Kung gusto ka lang magkuha ka moment, di ba ginakuha ka lang force time distance, okay? In short, most of the time, yung force natin na kinukuha is the perpendicular one. Tama? Guys, yun po yan siya si r sin theta, f sin theta, the perpendicular component or the vertical component. Kasi, Pythagorean lang din dun, okay? Sa theory na yun, okay? So now guys, from this equation, gawin ko siyang equation 1, okay? Now, taking that equation 1, let's say cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. What if I divide both sides by cosine squared theta? What will happen? Cosine squared theta, cosine squared theta. Cos squared divided sa cos squared? Ito, magiging 1.0. Okay? So in short, this is 1. Okay? This is 1. How about this one? Sine divided sa cosine. What factor is that? Tangent. Tangent. Okay? Tangent squared theta. Guys, 1 divided sa cosine, what is that? That is a secant squared theta. Okay? And this gives you an additional identity. Please look at your handouts. Okay? So guys, one question nga ng sine over cosine. Siya, equals tangent. For example lang ha, okay, masayang lang. Sine of theta over cosine of theta. Kung hindi ka magpante, what is sine theta? Opposite over hypotenuse. Tama ba? What is cosine? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay? If you're dealing with fractions, okay? Guys, pwedeng mo siya i-multiply sa reciprocal sinin. Okay? In short, it's just opposite over hypotenuse times reciprocal this. Pi over adjacent. Okay? In short, kung wala kang hypotenuse, distance. Okay? The result is what? Sine over cosine is just the tangent of theta is that opposite to adjacent. Okay? Ganun yan dali. Okay? So, pwede na convince. Okay? So now, please copy. I'll proceed with the next question. Malakas yung presence. Kita ka rin. Pag 1 hour and 5 minutes, sino mag-abot mo yung hospital yan? Hospital yan? Wala. Walang. Okay? Ulit na rin na. Ulit na yun. Next one. Please tandaan yan. Ulit na ka na dali. Okay? Now. Okay na? Now. We're done with the second equation. So what if guys, back to equation 1, okay? The cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1, okay? Now, what if divide naman siya ngayon sa sine squared theta? Sine squared theta, sine squared of theta. Guys, sine squared divide to sine squared, what is that? Sine over sine? 1. Cosine over sine? Is? Cotangent. Cotangent of theta. Right? Equals 1 over sine, guys, what is that? CSC. Cosecant of theta. Okay, lagyan ko lang ng square. Okay, lagyan ko lang ng square. Now guys, pag pindot ko sa calculator, if you're gonna press this into calculator, hindi mo siya kaya pindutin. The cosine of squared theta, hindi kaya na. Ang kagawa sa calculator mo yan, cosine of, let's say 30 ang angle, cosine squared, tapos nilagyan ng squared. What is the difference? What's the difference? That's your okay? Same lang po yan. Nakaprogram sa calculator mo, ang squared din yung butang sagwa. Okay? So hindi ka confused. Okay? Okay lang na siya ang squared ni mo, kung silimusin na, ang bilog na quantity, the whole quantity of cosine 30, lahat po yan is being squared mo. Okay? Pero, tingnan tabi, cosine of 30 squared, that is just 3 over 2 squared. That is just 3 over 4, or 50.75. Okay? Pero, that's the reason why. Okay? Now, this will now become our equation number 2. Okay? Ready ka na yun? Next one. Next is what? Okay? So, we're done with these identities. Okay? Guys, I don't know, sa regular video, yung mga nakakita mo sa ating full identities. Okay? Identity nga ni, nabuga mo, i-dissect mo siya, i-divide mo sa laba-laba, i-prove mo nga igual sila. Okay? Ulang using calculator na proceed with the double angle formula. Okay? Please bear with me, okay? Principle mo na lahat. Angle formula. Okay? Now, yes? Okay? Now, for example, guys, you have a function sine of a plus b, okay? What is the equivalent of this, okay? Kung makita ka sa handout mo, ang banda daw na sine of a plus b is just what? Basta sine ganun, guys, ang result niya sina is sin, cos, sin. Okay? Natin na, basta sine ganun, sin, cos, sin. Okay? Kung cos sine niya, cos, sin. Okay? Now, kung sino una, guys, siya ang utang din mo. Okay? AB. Okay? Pero, now, if you can notice your handout, may plus minus po yan dyan. Okay? Makinig. Kung plus sa babaw, okay? Kung siningon, plus na natin. Okay? Now, kung minus sa dalong, kung siningon, minus na natin. Pero what yung nagkabaliktad? Minus dito, okay? Sa dalawang plus. Plus ka din. Okay? Now, if it so happen, okay, na yung A mo is just equal sa B, okay? Let's say yung angle na itong 30. Yung B mo, 30 din, okay? In short, your A and B are just the same. Let's say I'll just call that one as theta. Okay lang? Now, what is the result? The sine of theta plus theta, what is that? That is 2 theta. Equals what? Sine of A. What is A? Is that theta? Yes. Cosine of theta plus cosine of theta plus, times sine of theta. Okay, makinig. Theta plus theta. Okay? Sine of 2 theta is what? Okay, guys. This sine theta, cosine theta, is it just equal sa cosine theta, sine theta? Same na ba? Yes, guys, makinig. From algebra, xy is just the same sa yx. Okay? Anong property yan? Simply, what na siya? Same na nangyari. Simply, you can combine these terms. Okay? So, guys, sine theta, cosine theta, plus cos theta, sine theta, what is that? That is just 2 sine theta, cosine of theta. Okay? And this becomes our equation number 4. Okay? Yung identity natin. Okay? Pwede na guys, eh? Pwede na? Pwede ko? Okay. Tandaan niya, pabalik-balik na din yung karon sa inyo circle ngayon, okay? Because they're also cosine, right? As much as possible guys, pwede before na mo. O pwede na ito kayo sa piano. Pwede nyo lang magawa. This is 244. Okay? Ang subject na lang daw. Now, for cosine function guys, okay, let's say yung kami function A plus B. Wait lang ha, kaya na ko rin. So ano na siya namin kasi naman, okay? Only beauty is get your calculator. Okay? Let's take Ang paano ni sir, the sine of A plus B is just what? Ano ito? Sin cos sin. Sin cos cos sin. Okay? So plus na plus 3. Guys, titingnan ka. Let's say your theta is, let's say your A is 20 degrees, okay? Your B is 40 degrees, okay? I want you to input into calculator, not this one, but this one, okay? Sin alpha A, cos alpha B, cos alpha A, cos alpha B. All of you already know how to press calc, right? Okay? So, in the task calculator mo, sin alpha A, cos alpha B, cos alpha A, sin alpha B, okay? Now, press calc. Naka-click yes. Sino to? Hindi ko ba naka-pindot calc? Kapalutanan. Hindi mo hiya ha. Sa isa ko mo. Okay? Now, press calc. Okay? To ask you the value of A. Bigyan mo siya ng 20. Okay? Bigyan mo siya ng 40 sa B. What is the value of that? Is that 1 half? Is that 1 half? Kita nga. Kami si square root of 3 over 2. This is 0.866. Okay, now. Paano ginawa yan? Okay? Correct. Ang ginugray na sila guys. Sige. Sino ginabay? Sino ginabay? Okay, tahan? Okay. Guys, makinig. Kung hindi mo balaanin, okay? Sa more example, sinto mo kinaklangan siya isang sahod din. Okay? Ano gawin mo? Halin sa choices, okay? Ipak-solve ka kung lang value, okay? Try mo rin ka, try mo ka, okay? Hindi yung identity yung may quadrant siya, okay? It's really for you to solve, okay? Manual. Now, nangyari ko yan because of this identity, okay? So, reason na nag-equal na siya because this is just 20 plus 40. Right? In short, is just sin 60. Pag pinintog ko sa calculator, later i-prove ko sa inyo sa unit circle na nag-result niya. In short, the sin of 60 is just square root of 3 over 2. Okay? 2.866. Alright? So now, again, this is just an example of sine function. Okay? So now, we'll proceed with the cosine function. Kung sa sine function, guys, sin cos cosine, sa cosine niya guys, baliskad. Cos, cos, sin. Okay? First time na encounter, or encounter na dati? Encounter na dati. So, lagyan ko siya ng pula nilalag. Okay? Okay na ka? Kung plus minus na dati, dali niya baliskad. Okay? Ang plus niya si babaw, ang minus mo sa nalo. Okay? For example, cosine A plus B. Yung result sila direct minus. Okay, baliskad dito. Kung pagka-opposite, kung cosine A minus B na da, ang matabo, cos plus sin. Pero, kung minus, plus. Diriya, kung plus, plus man. Kung minus, minus man. Diriya opposite. Okay? Kung minus, plus, kung plus, minus. Pero, now, A, B. Okay? Now, ganun. If angle A is equal sa angle B, okay? Let's say I call that one as theta. So why is it you keep saying that A is equal to B is equal to theta? Because for the first place, our angle is double angle. Tinawag na siyang double angle kasi yung dalawang angle mo is parehos. So kaya mo nang double angle siya. O, mga this. 2 theta ba? Yes. Kung yung tawag ng double angle mo, so naging times ko ng angle kung sino value na yan. Okay? Later, minaramot natin yung tawag na half angle. Okay? So now, substituting cosine of theta plus theta, which is what? Cosine of theta, kung plus na siya guys, ano tabutin? Minus sine of theta, sine of theta. What is this? Is this cosine of theta? Yes. How about this one? Cos theta times cos theta. Cos theta times cos theta. It's just as if saying x times x. What is that? X squared. Okay, so cosine squared of theta. Cos times cos equals cos. So pagka, locus. Okay. Sine squared of theta. Okay? Now, tulis pa niya. Pagka yung sayo lang yun. Okay? Now, connect. Cosine 2 theta, okay? Cosine 2 theta is just cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. But, okay? As I've discussed or as we derived previously, guys, what can you recall? Okay? The cosine, note, the cosine squared theta plus sine squared of theta is just equal sa 1. Okay? So now, what if ito, palitan ko siya ng value nito? What is the value of cosine squared? Cos squared theta is just equal sa 1 minus, very good, sine squared of theta. Okay? Sine square of theta. Yung value ng cosine na ito, i-substitute ko siya sa equation na yan. Okay? In short, substituting, what is that? Cosine of 2 theta is just equal to what? Cosine squared theta, sige, rewrite ko lang, minus sine squared of theta, yung term na ito po siya, 1 minus sine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Okay? Connect. Negative sign minus sign.
Negative.
Negative sign minus sign.
Negative minus 2 sin theta.
1 minus isa utang mo. Utang mo. Bilang na utang mo? 2. Negative 2 sine squared theta. This gives you our next identity. Please look at your handouts. Okay? Yan po yan siya. This will become our equation number 4. Okay? Tandaan na, basta sign ka na, 1 minus 2. Ha? Okay, right? Sige lang, kulang na lang. Okay? Kulang na yan, no? Okay, now, what if guys, yung cosine 2 theta mo na yan, which is equal sa cosine squared theta minus sine squared of theta, okay? Eto naman ngayon yung palitan ko, okay? What is this? Yung sine squared of theta na yan, that is just equal, kaya from here, kung gusto mo pala ng values ng sine, ang i-transfer ko. In short, sine squared theta is just 1 minus cosine squared, okay? So it is just 1 minus cosine squared of theta, okay? Substituting guys, what is that? Substituting cosine of 2 theta, right, is just cosine squared theta minus, what is sine squared? 1 minus cosine squared of theta, right? So now, cosine squared, negative times negative, positive. So cos plus cos, 2. So this is just 2 cos squared theta minus 1, right? So this is cosine of 2 theta, right? Now, please get your calculator, kung para ka-identity. Kasi nga, 2 cosine 30 squared minus 1. Kaya sa ba? Sila? 0.5. Pindot na sa calculus. Cosine of 2 times 30. Is that cosine 60? 0.5. In short, tama. Alright? Very nice. Copy na. Gusto ka. Yung lang na-shoot ay angle kung gusto ka. Okay? Sige sa konti. Kung gusto ka. Sino yan? Praise God. Tapos na ulit. Praise God. isa lang siguro. Half angle formula. Okay? Hindi na, may double angle pa, kung may half angle. Okay? Half angle formula. Now, okay. Cosine squared. Okay. Guys, from the equation, cosine 2 theta is just equal sa cos squared theta. So yeah, 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Okay? Okay guys. Para ma-appreciate ko siya, okay? I'll assume, okay, na yung 2 theta ko is just equal sa x. Okay? In short, yung theta ko is what? Is that x over 2? Tama? Now guys, okay. Substituting, okay? Substituting, cosine of 2 theta, what is that? Is that x? Equals 2 cosine squared, what is theta? Is that x over 2? Yes, minus 1. So guys, eto, may pati sa kabila, okay? Eto, mariretain. So 2 cos squared x over 2, hindi siya, silangan mo ma-combine. Okay? That is magiging positive. 1 cosine of x. I want to get rid of this 2. So divided by 2. Divided by 2. So guys, kung gusto mo kansilan si square, okay? What if cosine squared of x over 2 is just equal sa 1 plus cosine of x divided sa 2. So guys, gusto mo kansilan si square. Of course, pagyan mo siya na square root. Okay? Square root of cos squared is just cosine of x over 2 is just the square root of 1 plus cosine x over 2. Okay? This gives you the amount of their formula. Okay? So I guess it's enough. Okay? Sa side, same na brahon mo. Ang brahon mo lang, instead na choosing 2 cos squared minus 1, ang brahon mo yan, 1 minus 2 sine squared. Okay? Ang kuha mong result, maging minus 1. Okay? So now, we're done with this. Okay? So, I'll try to solve problem. Okay, sakit. Good morning. Kaka ba? Okay na? Kapit? Sige, dito tayo. Now, okay guys, please, focus in your handouts, okay? Please read number 1. Go. Go.
If the sine theta is equal to 3, the cosine theta is equal to 0. What is the angle
beta is less than 0. Okay? Guys, okay. If the sine daw sa isang angle is 3p, tapos ang iyang cosine is less than 0, guys, kung sinabing less than 0, is that positive or negative? Negative. Okay? So in short, ara siya sa left side sa cartesian plane. Okay? Kasi x, tandaan yung basta cosine, then x na represent yan. Basta sine, then y na. So positive si sine, kasi kung anong y nito kabaw. Basta negative si sine, palalaw. Okay? So guys, before ko na siya i-solve, okay, I want you to look at this. Okay? This is what we call quadrant 1. Okay? Quadrant 1. This is what we call the quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay? Kita sa likod? Okay lang ako? Tanong ko na guys. Please take note of this. Again, the cosine function represents the value of x. Claro? The sine function or the y or the sine function represents the value of y. Okay? So now makinig. Pag inhambal na guys na ang sine function mo daw is 3k, positive ka or negative? Positive. Consider mo that only the quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. Kaya ang point nyo let's say yung point na dire, ang y mo dire is positive. Okay? Kung may point na dire, ang y mo dire is positive. Kung dili ka na sa kupa, ano tabo? Negative. So y kasi daw chords ka na. Okay? Same goes with quadrant 4. Okay? So para ma-appreciate mo siya, okay, I'm gonna put the sign convention. Okay? Basta quadrant 1, yung value ng x mo dyan is positive. Yung value ng y mo dyan is positive. Positive as well. Okay? So tandaan, plus plus. Now, how about sa quadrant 2? Pa-left ka na guys. Okay? So negative, positive. Okay? For quadrant 3, what's that? Negative sa x, negative to y. Okay? How about this one?
Positive, negative.
Positive sa x, negative to y. Okay? Now, ano na ginanangin niya? Okay? Tandaan nyo guys yun. Because to recall, ito diba ako sa minute circle. Okay? Yung mga angle na ito, it is always taken from the center and pakat ko dito sa peripheral ng circle. Okay? So now, makinig. Yung sine beta ko, because positive siya, it can only be placed in either quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. Tama? Now, kung ibuntang ko siya kayo sa quadrant 2, okay, dapat ang cosine ko positive, ang sine ko positive. Tama? Hindi. Tama? Now guys, kaso may second condition siya. Yung cosine ko daw is less than 0, is that negative? Yes. Guys, saan siya tatama? Is that quadrant 2? In short, dito siya tatama. Okay? Now, tandaan mo dito niya. Pag makakita ka ng isang function, ngayon na, if you're computing for the angle, okay, ang angle yung ginakuha mo is always taken from the x-axis. Ito ngayon si beta. Okay? Kaso, okay, tandaan ko dyan niya, yung beta na binibigay niya, it can never be obtuse. Pag sinabi obtuse angle guys, that is more than 90 degrees. Okay? So guys, tandaan, kapag mag-shift sine or shift cosine ka, ang ihatag niya na value sa angle is always acute. Klaro? That is always less than 90. Now, ano ang para ko sa inyo kanina? The angle should always be taken from the positive axis and should be rotated clockwise or counter? Counterclockwise. Eh kaso ngayon, pag yung shift sine mo makuha mo si beta. Tama? Eh kasi yung beta na binigay niya sa'yo, eto lang. How can you compute for the actual angle beta? 180 minus mo lang saan ng yung mga angle. Klaro? Iwasan ko. Ang angle sa hinahatag na sa inyo is always acute. Okay? So mag-insert yung actual angle para doon sa quadrant 2. Di obtuse yun. Tara? So in short, kunin mo lang yung supplement niya. The word is supplement. The sum of this angle plus this angle is always 180 degrees. Klaro? Okay, the word supplement means that the sum of these two angles is 180. Okay? Pag sinabi ng complement, the sum of two angles is complement means 90 degrees. Okay? Klaro ah? Okay, now, because na-determine mo na quadrant 2 pala yung angle na beta, okay? Ito yung actual angle beta. Let's say I call this beta prime, okay? I call this as beta nga original, okay? So now, makompute mo ang beta prime. Sin beta is just equal sa 3/5, okay? So give me the value of your beta prime. Arc sine of 3/5. Kailan na siya? 30, 36.87 degrees. Okay? Please cover this to B para hindi naman round off. Start sa B. Okay, okay? Now guys, ang purpose naman na nagtatagpa sa second condition, okay, is para makuha mo or para ma-determine mo ang angle gali alis sa quadrant 2. Because negative ang iya value sa x. Again, cosine stands for x. Claro? So that's the reason why nakasabtra ka pa. And therefore, the actual angle beta is just 180 minus your beta prime. Okay? 180 minus your 36.27. What's that? Yeah? 13.30. Right? Yes, tama. This is this. Okay? Yan po yan siya. Okay? Now, sir, what will be ang ginatali sa akong sine beta negative? Hindi siya matupa. It's either quadrant 3 or quadrant 4 or quadrant 3. Okay? Negative yung sign eh. Okay? Now, in short, mahatag siya sa iyo sa isang condition. Ang cosine beta or cosine ng vector is greater than 0, which is positive. So, positive si x, negative si y. What quadrant? Quadrant 4. In short, ang tiyukunin mo angle is as category. Okay? Now, may hint ka na. Guys, from here to here, is that 90?
Yes.
From here to here, is that 90?
Yes.
In short, 90, 180, 270. Pag magtupa na sa quadrant 4, alam mo na yung angle is greater than 270. Okay? Hindi mo yung tiyog. Okay? Yes? So now 1.5 or 1 volts, 1 tenths minutes, 1 hour, 5 or 1
Trader ulit. Dito eh. Gusto ko magsagot sa akin. Gusto ko na natin ka. Pate, please. Tayo na. Okay? Gusto ko masteran yun eh. Okay? Maging master na yun ito. Yes. Okay? So guys, kung sa tatan yung angle natin, 30, 45, 60, okay? So dito ko yun siya. 30, 45, 60. So 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90. First, okay. Pag imangkot na ka, what is cosine 30? Mati na, equal to 3 over 2. Or simply, this is just 0.866. Square root of 3 is 1.73. Pag i-divide mo ka, 0.266. Okay? Now, what is the sign of this? Mati ko na yan. Ano? Now, pagdating mo naman sa 45 degrees, alam mo na yung value ng y mo, ito si y, ito si x. Tama ba? Okay? Right triangle mo yan lagi. Alam mo na yung value ng y is equal sa value ng x. Tama? In short, tama ba na i-show na yung sine ko at cosine is just the same? Tama? Okay. Dito tayo sa calculate. What is cosine 45? Square root 2 over 2. 0.707. Okay? Sine of 45, ganun pa rin yan. Kasi sa point na ito, equal silang dalawa. Okay? Now, yung sine 60 ko naman, yung cosine 60, guys, makinig. So, natabo mo guys si 30, okay? Ang natabo sina, please, mate. Ang 30 ko, tama? Ini 90. Natawang mo rin, ganyan yun. Natawang mo rin, ganyan yun. Okay? Ito. 60. Okay? So guys, pag labot mo sa 60, mali. So wala na siya ibaliskat lang. Ari naman si 30, ari naman si 60. In short, ang sine mo cosine mo sine, mabaliskad lang. Okay? Yes. The cosine of 60 is just 1 half. The sine of 60 is square root of 3 over 2. Okay? Now, eto yung maganda dyan. Because of this circle actually, okay, ma-mirror na siya sa piyak. Okay? Ma-mirror na siya sa piyak. Okay? Kung 90 na, ano siya? 120, area. 150, ini siya, 135. Okay? So guys, this thing is cosine of 120. Is that one half? Sorry, cosine correct. The cosine of 120 is negative 1 half. Why? Because ano yung siya sa quadrant 2? Ang x mo din is negative. Okay? Now, testingin, sine of 120. Is that square root of 3 over 2? Yes. Same lang kasi na nagawa ka mirror lang. Okay? Klaro? Pag lapot research sa quadrant 3, hindi project mo lang din, ganun pa rin yan. Okay? Ang inisya, tama na. Inisya, tama na. Okay? Ganun na siya lagi. Okay? Please master that one. Kung maglakad ka sa dalat o sinusulod sa utang kulpe, yun may makakalkyo. Okay, number 2, please read, go. Sige daw, ako lang. Yung secant theta daw, yung secant of theta daw is what? Positive, negative? Positive. Yung cosecant of theta, positive, negative? Negative. Guys, makinig. What is your secant theta? Your secant of theta, that is just 1 over cosine of theta. Ito lang yung pagkata dyan. Di ba alam natin yung cosine x yan? Okay? Maski dibaliskan mo na siya guys, ang represent sa reciprocal sina, which is secant, x mo na yapon. Pero, 1 over x is just equal sa secant theta. Tama? So guys, makinig. Yung property ng cosine, ina-adapt na ng secant. Claro? Because reciprocal siya dalawa. So kung positive si cosine, kung positive si secant, this is located in what? Quadrant 1 or ano? Quadrant 1 or quadrant 4. Okay? Positive si cosine, positive din si secant. Pag ako sa quadrant 4, positive si cosine, positive din si secant. Claro? In short, it can be quadrant 4 or quadrant 1. Now, how about this cosecant? Cosecant theta is just 1 over sine of theta. Okay? Now, positive siya negative? Negative. In short, ang natabo, positive daw si x. Okay? Positive daw si x. How about the y? Negative. Now guys, what quadrant is that? Quadrant? Okay, ito yung. Okay? Ano na sige? Isipang nagaligid, ilagkan din ko sine. Isipang nagaligid guys, sine. Okay, number 3, this is just a pure algebra, okay? Siguro kung isolve ko siya, kulang sa whiteboard, wala pa yung problem, okay? So, kabaon na lang ito niya, okay? This is just pure algebra. Pwede siya pagamitan, try ko. Kaya na. This is the type of problem mo eh, di ba? Bako sa algebra. You have the unknowns. Example number 3, it's A, B, and C. Tama? You need at least 3 equations to solve the problem. Tama? Now, please tingin ba yung kaya? Kaya. Because, kapag sumaw-cloud din ang problem. Kaya. Yes. Solve ko na lang kung isang sa GC. Wala ko na kami. sinusoidal functions. Okay? Okay, sorry may inuga ka pala. Kasi may buwan sa board lang. Okay? Actually guys, ginagamit pala natin sa trigo is what we call the sexagesimal system. Tandaan nyo yan? Okay? Ito siya yung gumagamit ng what? Degrees, day, minutes, and seconds. Okay? This is what we call the sexagesimal system. Okay? Kung manotice nyo sa upper parts ng inyong notes, okay? May angle of measurement, may measurement sa angles, may radians, okay? May degrees, may grads, okay? May mils. Guys, trivia lang, ang mils hindi nagamit din siya sa mga army o mga military, okay? Because sexagesimal. Hindi lang pag-stress, okay? Kung manotice nyo guys, sa sexagesimal system, every movement is what? 1 degree. And one revolution of that is 360 degrees. Okay? Now guys, sa means naman niya, okay? Siguro sa una, let's say ako na yung ibang ground. Okay? May tag yun kasi nakakutang. Okay? Okay now, ang body daw, kaya dapat sa sexagesimal system, gamay na rotate, okay, kailangan pa ka-degrees, okay? So in short, ang body na, why not, dapat ang calibration, kaya doon pa dito ang Pilipino, wherein ang isang number calibration is 6,400 mils, okay? Mils, okay? Instead of degrees, mils sa unit, okay? Ano siya? 6,400 mils, okay? So now, ang pag nila, why not, ihadon na siya Pilipino para calibration niya mas accurate, okay? That's the reason why, nagkamay mo ng movement, okay? Hindi siya gawa layo. Why? Kasi pag inuna ko siya, kita mo ito pa, okay? So short, the reason na calibrate nila muna para mas accurate. Ano yung nagamit nila? Yung mils na nito, okay? Sa radians naman niya guys, okay? Kung sa sexagesimal, ang 1 revolution nimo is 360 degrees, okay? Sa radians naman niya, that is equivalent to 2.5, okay? Tandaan nyo pag mag-solve ka mo ganit, pero sa trigo, mas kung sa din pa, basta nagagamit ka mo ang guide, careful ka mo sa kalkul ninyo. Because this sa pabaw sa kalkul mo, nakabutang ka rin nakarad. Okay? So in short, the cosine of 30 na nakarad, hindi na siya equal sa cosine of 30 na nakadibis o nakasexagesimal. Kaya kung nagkakatangay isa, okay? So careful ito rin. I-program ang kalkul yung naka-dibis na galit. Okay? Yung halong ako sa numbers na. Okay? So before kita mag-proceed, okay? I'll discuss to you what we call the sinusoidal function. Okay? Sinusoidal. Ay, sorry guys Itawag sa mga na sa decimal, ano ba isang una?
6.
Okay, in short, this is a multiple of 60. Ang degrees guys, pila ka minutes? Ang degrees pila ka minutes? 60. Ang minutes pila ka seconds? 60, okay? Guys, same goes with the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. Ganun pa rin yan. Sexagesimal pa rin yan, okay? Ang awkward, clock na rin mo, okay? Wala ka lang,
Sa batteries ko lang try ko na solve. Okay na guys? Now, pag sabi sa residual function, what does it mean? Okay, tawag siya nga sa residual function because ang graph is sulit lang. Okay? And so on. Same goes in here. Okay? Actually guys, imagine nyo lang Ferris wheel din siya. Okay? Ang graph din this is the graph with Ferris wheel. Okay? Kung may Ferris wheel ka, okay? Diba ganun tiyog mo na siya? Pag ladlad mo na siya, ano na graph niya? Okay? Ano na palik. Hindi siya gano'n visualize because, di ba, matulog. Hindi ka matulog. Hindi ka matulog ka lang. Magkakagantaan mo siya. Okay? Nagawin siya kinig. This x represents the value of angular theta. Okay? Now, what is the cosine of 0? Okay? What is the cosine of 0? Is that 1? Yes? Okay, 1. Now, let's say this is pi over 2. This is pi. This is 3 pi. Okay? Now guys, what is the cosine of pi over 2? Guys, we know that pi over 2 is just 90 degrees. Okay? This pi is just 180 degrees. This 3 pi over 2 is just 270 degrees. Guys, makinig. What is the cosine of 90? Is that 0? Tama ba? Tama ba? The cosine of pi over 2, what is that? The cosine of 90 is what? 0. Okay? Think of guys, ang graph na sila is mamunig. Okay? Now, pag lapot guys sa pi, what is the value of that? Is that negative 1? Yes. Ito, mo muna siya. And so on. Okay? Klaro? Klaro? Okay now. Itawag siya na sinusoidal because nag-repeat lang siya. Okay? Kasi bilang na ang L. Okay? Sulit-sulit ng yapon. Okay? So now, anong ginakompute sa natin? Okay? Ang ginatumang ko determine what is the period, what is the amplitude, what is the phase shift, vertical shift, and frequency. Okay? So kapag may cosine function ka, okay, it takes the form of y is equal to a cosine of b x minus c, okay, plus b. Okay? Ganun. Yung a na to, okay, this is what we call the amplitude. Okay? The amplitude. Yung amplitude na yan, okay, yan yung coefficient. Okay? Yan yung si a. Okay? Ano lang yan ha? Value. Okay? Now, how about the period? Yung period mo, okay, yung period mo is, that is the time, that is where at what angle makomplete mo isa ka revolution. Okay? So guys, makinig ka, tandaan, pag inapala ka rin nga 1 revolution, dapat makomplete mo ang isa ka arc na rin. Okay? Dapat makomplete mo ang isa ka arc na rin. Sir, what in beginning? Doon ko siya. Dili ako nag-start. Okay? So in short, dili niya makomplete ang isa ka revolution. Wag-wag-wag. Ganito. From here to here, this is what we call 1 revolution. Okay? Ako na siya nga tawag na period. Sa ano ka kailangan makomplete ang 1 revolution? Sir, what if i-offset ko siya, i-double ko siya, dili ako na-start? In short, dito yan siya. Ini, kalugaman. Okay? Imagine nyo na lang ang 1 period or ang 1 revolution is a complete letter S. Klaro? Letter S. Klaro? Kung dili ka mag-start, dili ka mag-start. Klaro? Okay. Now, yung period na to is just ang natin na 2 pi over b. Saan na yung b na yan? Saan na siya? Coefficient of angle. Okay?
Now, how about the phase shift? Phase shift. Sorry, frequency mo na. Frequency. Is F. Guys, ang frequency, that is the time taken to complete one period. Okay? Or simply, reciprocal of your period. So, 1 over t. Kung nakuha mo ba ang iyong period, let's say 2 pi over 2. In short, it is pi. Ang frequency mo is just the reciprocal of that 1 over pi. Okay? Okay, ang frequency and period are just inverse with each other or reciprocal. Yes. Next is the phase shift. Okay? Ano sa phase shift na sir? Okay? Yung tawag dyan is P. Pag naman may phase shift guys, okay? Let's say, ang inyong factor is y is equal to cosine x. Guys, may value ang c wala. Sa inyong equation. May value ang c wala? Wala. Ang b mo yan, may value y. Ila? 1. Kasi function ng x is 1. Pero ang c value mo yan 0. Now, ang matabo, kapag itugaman mo siya sa constant term, let's say plus c or minus c, ang matabo guys, ang term mo, it could be 1. It could either be moved to the left or to the right. Klaro, pag na-upload ko sa phase shift nila, ang term mo is i-move ko lang horizontally. Klaro? Now, phase shift is just the value of your c. Okay? Hindi siya, okay? Now, how about the vertical shift? Okay, the vertical shift. Medyo boring pa lang topic kasi hindi siya more of a solid, okay? The vertical shift. I don't know kung ano yung annotation, but tandaan nyo guys, na the vertical shift gani, kasi ang ulit curve mo is either i-move nila up or down. And that will be determined if what is the value of this constantly. Ito yun siya, i-move na yan. Pero? And lastly, for now, for cosine, wala kita asymptote. Okay? Kung ma-notice mo, wala kita lang asymptote. So, sige-sige lang yung mga factor. So guys, para appreciate mo siya, please read number 4. Go.
Given the function y is equals to 5 cosine x plus 2 pi by 2, identify the opening.
Sige. But just to use mention, notice the amplitude. The amplitude is always be the coefficient sa cosine. What's the amplitude? 5. Okay, yun na yun. Di ba wala 3? Bonus. Okay. Yung amplitude mo, okay, amplitude mo, given yung function 5 cosine of 5 cosine of ilan siya? 3x plus 5 yes 3x plus 2 pi plus 2. Okay? Now guys, mate. Hindi ka po ito ba nga? Okay? Now, ganun. Before ka mag-solve sini, hindi ka rin pala sa so, okay? Alam yung amplitude 5. Okay? Ito ulit, pero kasi patanay ka. Ganun. Ang rounding mo, i-arrange mo siya, okay? Following this pattern. Okay? Klaro? Now, ang 5, arat na yapon. 5 cosine of what? Okay. Ang 3 mo, papaon mo. 3 times. Guys, what is that then? Is that x? Now, kung 2 pi na din siya, ang 3 din pagwa mo. So, 3 times 2 pi, magiging 6 pi. Hindi mo equal dito. So, dapat butang ka sa denominator. Kung nung ipagwa mo, butang mo rin. Para 3 times 2 pi, makancel si 3, palit dito 2 pi. Tara? Okay. Now, plus 2. Okay? We're just paying special. What is the amplitude? Amplitude is 5. What is the period? 2.75. Sige na lang, lahat na lang. Amplitude, that is A. Ilan na siya? 5. Now, how about the period? 2.05. Period. Okay? Guys, tandaan na. 2 pi over b yan lagi. Okay? Alam mo na yung A mo is ini siya. Okay? Yung b mo, Ito siya. Ito yung C mo. Ito yung B mo. Okay? So now, what is the value of B?
2.5.
What's the value of B? 3. Okay? Ito na yung period mo. Okay? Tama? 2 pi over B. Now, how about the frequency? Yes. Frequency is just the reciprocal of the period. Frequency. Okay? Now, what is that? That's just 1 over P. Or simply, 3 over 2 pi. Okay? Ito yung frequency. Okay? Now, how about the phase shift? Okay na guys, tapos lang. Boring ah. 2, 9, 2, 2. Yeah, what's the value? What's the value of phase shift? 2 pi. 2 pi over 3. Takanda? Takanda?
Negative.
Yes?
Negative.
Negative. Okay. Guys, what is the format? Minus C po yan natin. Okay? So kung nag-plus ka da, kusingon, that is minus 2 pi. In short, yung C mo is negative 2 pi. Klaro? Kung halo nga, kasi pagkita mo ng traces, ayos. Napangay na ulit. Okay? So the factor or the format is negative. Ito pa, negative na. Okay? Now, the vertical shift is what? This is number 4. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Vertical shift. The vertical shift is what? So, vertical shift is just okay? So yun naman. Okay? Is kabilo. Gusto niyo break?
Break, sir. Break.
Balik ka po mga 11.
Pause pa na.
Ilan na nga minutes?
1 hour 15.